So how to keep the knowledge? You keep it by reflection. That's what he's saying. Reflection. Reflection means you have first heard it. After that, you think about it. There's so much of scope. See, we have received so many gems of knowledge. Now, reflect on any one piece of knowledge. Deep reflection on any one piece of knowledge can transform your life. I am the soul, not the body. Just reflect on this. God is sitting in everyone. Just reflect on this. You can reflect on 100 pieces of knowledge. Reflection means to think about it again and again and again. That is chintan, that is manan. That is important. The more chintan we do, the deeper the knowledge will sink. The more we will transform. You see, it is said, it is not important how much you eat. What is important is how much you digest. You eat a lot and you don't digest, it's no use. Similarly, it's not just how much we've heard and read, but how much we have assimilated through the reflection, through the chintan. So this is our homework, that we have got all these wonderful pieces of knowledge. Do the manan. Somebody said, Swamiji, this has become very easy now. My iPhone has got the notes app. So on each page I put some scriptural truth. That way I keep 12, 13 gems of knowledge in my notes. And while swimming, I check one note and then I do manan on it. In the next round, I check another note, then I do manan on it. Different ways of doing manan, reflection. So, the first is the shravan, hearing. The second is the manan, reflecting. And the third is the nididhyasan. Nididhyasan means deciding with the intellect. This is it. In other words, deepening the internal decision of the intellect. That deciding makes the biggest difference. See, we all heard about satya, truthfulness. We all thought about it as well. But Mahatma Gandhi decided, this will bring victory. Satyameva jayate. What was the difference between him and us? His complete faith in that principle. His complete belief in that knowledge. The point is, do you believe this? If you do, you will be changed forever. That belief, you heard Maharajji's lecture yesterday, right? The mind is not willing to believe. The mind says, "Pehle kripa karo, tab manenge." God says, "Sorry. First you do sharanagati, then I'll do kripa." So God doesn't budge. The mind has to budge. Willingness to believe. So that belief is the function of the intellect. That is the nididhyasan. In this way, Maharshi Patanjali says, this will bring you in association with your Ishtadev. Why? Because you will think, I am the soul and he is the supreme soul. So I have a relationship with him. He is my father, he is my mother, he is my everything. When you think of this, you will go close to Him.